What's up, Merc Zertoin here. So today I'm going to be unboxing the ultimate Ghostface action figure. This has accessories. It comes with a zombie version, bloody version, glow-in-the-dark version, known as the Stab 1 poster. Unfortunately, the white piece to the mask just fell out when I shopped since last Saturday. Guess we'll have to this, yeah, here it goes. Okay. Weapon. Never mind. Okay. We got the glue. There we go. Okay, there we go, and there we go, glued it, not too bad. Okay, this access has a drapes, it matches to my costume. It has pretty cool details. The accessories comes with a knife that you could hold in the hand. So the white mask doesn't look too bad. It includes the underneath, the pants, the shoes. Not that bad. So I glued that piece back together. So yeah, don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see YouTubers in another video. Peace. Bye bye.